Namaskar. I am Kavita Sahu, working in Government High School Balyanda as an assistant teacher. As an educator, I have always felt that there should be some positive changes in our educational policy. NEP is a welcome change in this critical pandemic situation. Features of NEP. This National Education Policy 2020 is the first education policy of the 21st century after 34 years. This education policy lays particular emphasis on the development of the creative potential of each individual. It also aims learning should be a holistic, integrated, enjoyable, and engaging. In education, a curriculum is broadly defined as the totality of student experiences that occur in the educational process, a course of study that will enable the learner to acquire specific knowledge and skills. Our curriculum and pedagogy should be based on this holistic development of one individual. Holistic development includes physical development, cognitive development or mental development, emotional development, social development. Let's take an example. If we give two quite similar pictures to a Stanford student and ask him or her to identify differences between them, it will be a speaking task for him. This activity develops not only language ability but also the mental activity of the learner. Language and cognitive development is the outcome of this activity. If we give an inspirative environment to the students to communicate with themselves on a specific topic, then their language development, also their social development will increase. As the national policy focus on holistic development, our curriculum and pedagogy should be based on such types of activities. Integrated means to put things as a whole together. Integrative learning is the process of making connections among concepts and experiences so that information and skills can be applied to novel and complex issues or challenges. It is the combination of subjects to flexible students groupings more than one curricular subject, an emphasis on projects, sources that go beyond textbooks. It can be better understood through one example. Ms. Biswal teaches science while Ms. Das teaches language in the same class. For while Ms. Biswal was teaching the different characteristics of a plant, Ms. Das was trying to develop a precision of beauty in nature through a poem in the text. One day both of them decided to take the class together, combining science and poetry. The topic they chose was flowers. They planned the lesson in detail while Miss Biswal was to deal with different types of flowers and the parts of the flowers, and Miss Das was to recite and develop appreciation for beauty of different types of flowers. But due to some accident, Miss Biswal had to remain absent in that class. Miss Das carried on teaching with a plan, both of them prepared together. This may sound absurd, but what Miss Das was using an integrated teaching learning process. So benefits of teaching with integrated curriculum model focuses on basic skills, content and higher level thinking, provides a deeper understanding of content, provides connections among various curricular disciplines. Our curriculum should be enjoyable and engaging. If teachers cannot reach students and inject a spark into lessons, a learning moment can be lost. That's why it is important to make learning as enjoyable as possible, particularly when challenging students in subjects. When students have fun, they are also more willing to participate and take risks. Game-based learning, the use of games in the classrooms as part of learning. Using games in school settings can create a competitive environment which can enhance learning effectiveness as long as teachers are supporting a collegial working environment in the classroom. Our new education policy 2020 promotes holistic, multidisciplinary and futuristic education. Thank you for watching this. Stay home, stay safe.